Hey everyone, you're welcome to Practical Maths with God Knows. Our last video was on fraction and it was aimed at giving us the definition and the practicalization of fraction, giving us the basics of fraction. Today, we're going to be going further, showing us the implementation and the calculation aspect. We are going to be starting with types of fraction. What are the types of fraction? We have three types of fraction. The first is called the proper fraction. The second is called the improper fraction, while the third is called the mixed number. Please note, there is nothing like mixed fraction. There is nothing like mixed fraction. It is called a mixed number. Now, let's give the definition of these types of fraction. When we talk about proper fraction, what is a proper fraction? A proper fraction can be defined as a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. And examples of that would be 1 over 2, 2 over 5, and so on, as long as the numerator is lesser than the denominator. What is the second kind of fraction? The second kind of fraction is called the improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? An improper fraction can be defined as that type of fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. The numerator is greater than the denominator. And examples of such kind of fraction are 7 over 2. 7 is greater than 2. Or 11 over 5. 11 is greater than 5. That are the kind of improper fraction. And lastly, what is the third type of fraction? The third type of fraction is called the mixed number. What is a mixed number? A mixed number can be defined as a fraction that has a whole number and a proper fraction. A mixed number can be defined as a fraction that has a whole number and a proper fraction. For an example, you could get one whole number, 1 over 2, 2 whole number, 2 over 5, 3 whole number, 1 over 10. These are the kinds of fractions we have. Now let's go to the board and move further. You're all welcome back. Now, having understood the type of fractions which I explained earlier as the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed number. Now, for the improper fraction, anytime you find your fraction, improper fraction, at times it is always good to convert your improper fraction to mixed number. Now, the first thing we're going to be learning is how to convert or how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now, if you're given first 25 over 7, this is an improper fraction. Why is it an improper fraction? Because we have 25 as the numerator and 7 as the denominator. 25 is greater than 7. That's what makes it improper fraction. So what are we going to do? We have to convert it to a mixed number. So how do we convert? 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7, meaning how many 7 can we get in 25? We would get 3, because 7 times 3 gives us 21. So how many 7 can we get in 25? We will get 3 7s. And what will be left? We'll be left with 4. So 25 divided by 7 gives us 3. And what is remaining? We are remaining 4. 4, which is less than 7. Say 4 over 7. You've just converted this to a mixed number. Another example. If we are given 10 over 3, 10 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. This is an improper fraction. And an improper fraction is that one which the numerator is greater. What do? We divide. We say, how many 3 can we get in 10? Which is 10 divided by 3. We will get 3 3s in 10. We will get 10 divided by 3 will give us 3. Remainder 1, because 3 times 3 is 9. Remaining 1 to make it 10. So remainder 1. 1 over the denominator 3. We've converted this to a mixed number. The last example under this conversion will be 16 over 5. 16 over 5. 16 is the numerator, while 5 is the denominator. 16 is greater than 5, which makes it an improper fraction. So what do? Convert to a mixed number. So we say 16 divided by 5. How many 5 can we get in 16? We'll get 3 5s. because 3 times 5 is 15. So 16 divided by 5 is 3. Remainder 1, because 5 times 3 is 15, remaining 1. When you add that 1, it makes it 16. So it's remaining 1. 1 over 5. This is how to convert improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's go further. Now, we are going to be treating addition and subtraction of fraction. Addition and subtraction of fraction. Now, in addition and subtraction of fraction, I have divided it into 3 parts. First off, I divided it into, the first part will be fractions with same denominators. Fractions with same denominators. The second one would be fractions with different denominators of same factor. Fractions with different denominator of same factors. And the third one is fraction with different denominators with non-common factors. Fractions with different denominator with non-common factor. Let's start with the first one, which is fraction with same denominator. Now, if you have 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6, they have the same denominator. When they have the same denominator, your LCM would be what? 6, because the denominator here is 6, the denominator here is 6, so your LCM will be what? 6 straight away. So what do? We say 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. That 1 multiplied 2 gives us what? 2, plus 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. That 1 multiplied 3 gives us what? 3. And when we add 2 plus 3 gives us 5 over 6. That is the first example. Let's solve some other examples. Looking at this question, 1 whole number 1 over 5 plus 2 whole number 2 over 5. We want to add this. There are 2 methods I'm going to teach you in solving this kind of questions. Why am I using 2 methods? I'm going to be using 2 methods because we are having mixed numbers. So the first method, separating them, method 1. The first method will be separating the whole numbers from the fraction. So I would say, since it's 1 whole number 1 over 5 plus 2 whole number 2 over 5, I would say this 1 plus this 2 separately, and 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. You could see I've separated them. So what do? 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Then I'll come here and solve my fraction the normal way, which is common denominator. So LCM will be what? 5. So I will say 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 times this 1 gives us 1, plus 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. 1 times this 2 gives us what? 2. And what do we have here? 1 plus 2, 3 over 5. So therefore, our answer is what? 3 whole number, 3 over 5. That is the first method. Now let's do the second method. Method number 2. Now, how do we solve method number 2? Solving method number 2 is converting the mixed number back to an improper fraction so that they will all just be fractions. So converting this to an improper fraction, this would be 5 times 1, 5, 5 plus 6. 5 times 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 becomes 6 over 5, plus 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 over 5. So now we've converted this mixed number to an improper fraction. So what do? We look for the LCM. What is the LCM? Because they are of the same denominator, what do? Over 5, 5, 5. 5 times 1, 5. I mean 5. 5 times 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 1 times 6 gives us 6. Plus 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 12 gives us 12. And when we add, we have what? 18 over 5. And this is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it back to a mixed number. 18 divided by 5 is what? 3. Because 3 times 5 will give you 15. Remaining 3. 3 over 5. You could see this is the same with this. So any of the method will still give you the same answer. C. The third question will be 3 whole number 3 over 4 minus 1 whole number 2 over 4. Now, let's start with method 1. What is method 1? Method 1 is separating the whole numbers and the fraction. So this will give us 3 minus 1 separate, then 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 separate. So what do we do now? 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Then here we say, what is the LCM? Remember, their denominators are of the same kind. So I will say LCM will be 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 1 times 3 gives us what? 3. Minus 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 1 times 2 gives us 2. This becomes 3 minus 2, 1 over 4. So our answer here would be what? 2 whole number, 1 over 4. I hope you're all getting it. Now let's try the method 2, converting the mixed number to an improper fraction. Method 2. Now let's convert all this to an improper fraction. 4 times 3 gives us 12. 12 plus 3 gives us what? 15 over 4 minus 4 times 1 gives us 4. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. 6 over 4. So what do we do? LCM. Denominator of the same kind. What is the LCM? 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 15 is 15. Minus 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 1 times 6 gives us 6. So therefore, 15 minus 6 gives us what? 9. 9 over 4. This is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. 9 divided by 4. How many 4 will you get in 9? 2. Remainder 1. 1 over 4. You could see this is the same thing with this.